Hey, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, let me show you how to change lock screen clock style on Android 16. From your home screen, you want to press and hold an empty space like this and tap Wallpaper and Style. So now let's select lock screen like this, and you want to scroll a little bit until you see clock section. Let's tap it. And here you can see different styles, different designs. So there are plenty of them, so select the one that you like. I'll go with this one, and additionally you can change its color. So this is the palette. Additionally you can set this neutral color. Additionally you can change the intensity of the color like this, change the shade of it, and of course size. You can set small like this, or you can set a large size. And when you are ready to save it, you want to press apply in the top right, and now continue editing your wallpaper. And if you're satisfied with how it looks like, you want to simply go back, and on your lock screen you will see updated clock. So that's how it works. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.